Hi guys, so with this one we're meant to get this little display to work. I've got over here my voltmeter hooked up, proving that there's power in that top rail, and that's where I'm earthing and getting my power down into this. Now I noticed that Paul's display had these two round the other way, but mine is labelled with the power on the outside and the ground is the first one in. I've found this scanner here to tell me the correct address for this display, which is working on pins 17 and 16. So down here, if we run it, you see it blink, that's run, so it's definitely telling me my address is 0 times 3C. Now I've been on this for 4 days and it's just not working out, so I decided this is telling me some good information. So I went through and started pulling wires and found that if I so no device will be found if display has no power. So I put the power wire back in and pulled out the SCL wire, and it'll say no device found. If you pull your SDA wire out, it'll give you a great list of addresses. I don't know what that's all about, but it's a thing that's different, so it tells you there's something wrong with that line. And if you pull the ground wire out, it behaves as it should do, so I'm not sure what's going on there. You'd think if it's not grounded, then it's not getting its power supply, but for some reason, if I pulled the ground wire out, that little black one in the back there, and here, if I took him out, that scanner still told me the correct address. But my issue is I cannot get anything to show up on this screen. So if we go to our program we're working with, that started out with everything the same as Paul's to start with, and then in desperation I started putting in commands like turn the power on and turn the contrast up, just in case there was something there but it wasn't completely showing up. And I put in here print, so here I've got message hello world, and then I put print message 1, and then print message 2, and print message 3, and print message 4. Now that was just to show me how far down the code it got before it finished. Now I've got it so it's coming right down here and printing off my last, so I've got it so it's finishing this program, and yet I still don't have anything on the display. So here we're watching the bottom now. Push the button and there it goes, it's printed to the 3, the 4 and the final one, and we come over here to the display and she's as blank as. So for me this one's a failure. Anybody got any ideas? See you later, bye.